Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. Welcome to this exciting journey of affiliate marketing for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore inspiring steps and procedures to help you become a successful affiliate marketer. But first, if you're ready to embark on this adventure, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, so you never miss any of our motivating content. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, imagine being a digital matchmaker, connecting potential buyers with products they'll love. You earn a commission for each successful match. Sound cool? It is. Now, here's your first challenge. Can you think of a product or service you'd love to recommend to others? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Maybe you're into fitness, fashion, or technology. Let's get those creative juices flowing. Step 1. Choose your niche. Finding your niche is like picking your playground. It's essential to select something you're passionate about and knowledgeable about. After all, it's much easier to promote something you love, right? Now, tell me, what's your passion? What niche do you think suits you best? Comment below with your thoughts. Step 2. Research, research, research. This is where the magic happens. Dive deep into your niche and discover the hottest products and affiliate programs available. Look for those that align with your interests and your target audience's needs. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that even the most experienced affiliate marketers continue to research and learn? It's a never-ending journey of discovery. So, are you ready to start your research? Let me know in the comments. Step 3. Time to build your online presence. This is where you get to create your online real estate. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram page, or a website, choose your platform wisely. Think of your platform as your digital home. You wouldn't want to live in a rundown house, would you? So, what platform are you thinking of? Share your plans with us. Alright, step 4. Content is king. The success of your affiliate marketing journey heavily relies on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, aim for excellence. Remember, quality over quantity, always. And, what type of content do you plan to create? Share your ideas below. Step 5. Engage your audience. Your platform is the stage, and your audience is the audience. Build a community that genuinely cares about your niche and what you have to say. Respond to comments, answer questions, and connect on a personal level. Quick question: how do you plan to engage with your audience? Share your engagement strategies in the comments. Step 6. Promotion time. This is where you introduce affiliate products to your audience. Make sure you do it authentically and always disclose your affiliate relationships. Trust is key in this business. Have you thought about how you'll promote products? Tell me about your promotional tactics. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of promoting affiliate products. After all, it's not enough to have great content. You need to get the word out there. So, here are some essential promotional tactics to help you succeed. Content marketing. Create compelling blog posts, videos, or social media updates that highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting. Share informative and valuable content to build trust with your audience. Email marketing. Building an email list is a goldmine. Send out newsletters and product recommendations to your subscribers. Personalize your emails and make them engaging. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social platforms. Share your content, engage with your audience, and use targeted advertising to reach potential customers. SEO. Search engine optimization. Optimize your content for search engines. When your content ranks high in search results, it attracts more organic traffic. Paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising methods like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. These platforms allow you to target specific demographics and reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche. They can promote your affiliate products to their followers, providing social proof and expanding your reach. Product reviews. Create in-depth product reviews and comparisons. Be honest, highlighting both the pros and cons of the products. Your audience appreciates transparency. Webinars and workshops. Host webinars or online workshops to showcase How affiliate products solve specific problems. Live events can be very engaging. Landing pages. Design dedicated landing pages for affiliate products. These pages should be tailored to convert visitors into buyers. Social proof. Use testimonials, case studies, and user reviews to build trust with your audience. People are more likely to buy a product when they see that others have had a positive experience. Now, to make your affiliate marketing journey even more efficient, let's talk about some essential tools and software that can be your trusty companions. Affiliate marketing tools and software. Affiliate networks. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank to access a wide range of affiliate programs in one place. SEO tools. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Moz can help you with keyword research and optimizing your content for search engines. Email marketing software. Use platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber to manage your email campaigns and build your subscriber list. Social media management tools. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite help schedule and manage your social media posts. Analytics tools. Google Analytics and tools like Hotjar can help you track the performance of your website and understand user behavior. Affiliate link cloaking. Tools like Thirsty Affiliates or Pretty Links help you cloak and manage your affiliate links, making them look more user-friendly. Page builders. Use tools like WordPress with page builders like Elementor to create visually appealing landing pages and websites. Content creation tools. Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud can help you design eye-catching graphics for your content. Keyword research tools. Tools like Ubersuggest or Keyword Planner can assist in finding the right keywords to target in your content. Affiliate management software. If you plan to recruit your own affiliates, consider using software like Post Affiliate Pro or Tapfiliate to manage your affiliate program. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to test and refine your promotional tactics. Not all methods will work for every niche or audience, so be adaptable and keep an eye on what's driving results. Stay persistent and keep refining your strategy to achieve the best results in your affiliate marketing journey. Good luck! Step 7. Measure your success. Keep a close eye on how your affiliate marketing efforts are performing. Use tools and metrics to see what's working and what's not. Then, adjust your strategy accordingly. By the way, humor me for a second. Have you ever used any tracking tools before? Share your experiences with us. Step 8. Time to scale up. Once you've gained confidence and started making money, it's time to expand your horizons. Find new affiliate programs, explore additional niches, and grow your affiliate marketing business. What are your dreams for scaling your business? Share your ambitions below. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our guide for affiliate marketing beginners. I hope you're as excited as I am about this incredible journey. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and dedication, but the possibilities are limitless. Now, here's your call to action. Start taking action right now. Pick one step from this video and commit to it. Whether it's choosing your niche, creating your first piece of content, or signing up for an affiliate program, take that step today. In conclusion, affiliate marketing for beginners is about passion, persistence, and patience. It's a journey of self-discovery, and the more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. Stay curious, keep learning, and never be afraid to try new things. Success is just around the corner. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure of affiliate marketing for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please, share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Remember, you have the power to shape your destiny as an affiliate marketer. Embrace the journey, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep chasing your dreams.